In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MetaMask extension. First, open Google Chrome. This is the browser we will use to install the MetaMask extension. Once you have Chrome open, you will see the familiar interface with a search bar at the top. This is where you will start your journey to adding MetaMask. Opening Chrome is essential because the extension is specifically designed to work with this browser. If you are using a different browser, you may encounter compatibility issues later on. So let's make sure we are all set with Google Chrome. Next, go to the official MetaMask website or the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing in the URL directly or searching for MetaMask in the search bar. If you opt for the website, make sure you are on the official MetaMask domain. This is important because only the official site or the Chrome Web Store has the authentic version of MetaMask. Be cautious and ensure you are not redirected to a fraudulent site. Once you are on the MetaMask website, click Get MetaMask if you are there. If you are on the Chrome Web Store, look for the option to add it to Chrome. Clicking this button will begin the installation process. It's a simple action, but it is crucial. This step sets everything in motion. If you are on the wrong site, you may miss out on important features or security updates. On the Chrome Web Store page, click Add to Chrome. This will prompt a new window to pop up, confirming your action. You should see a brief description of what MetaMask does and the permissions it requires. This information is important because it gives you insight into how the extension will interact with your browser. After reading it, you will feel more confident in proceeding with the installation. In the confirmation pop-up, click Add Extension. This step is crucial as it officially starts the download and installation of the MetaMask extension. Once you click this, you will see a progress indicator showing that the extension is being added to your browser. It is a reassuring visual cue that tells you everything is working as it should. Now wait for the installation to finish. This may take just a few moments. During this time, you might see the MetaMask logo appear in your extensions area. This indicates that the extension is being prepared for use. It is an exciting moment because you are one step closer to utilizing MetaMask for your cryptocurrency needs. After that, click the extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. This icon looks like a puzzle piece and is the gateway to managing your extensions. When you click on it, you will see a drop-down list of all your installed extensions. This is a simple but important action, as it allows you to access and manage MetaMask easily. Next, click the pin icon next to MetaMask to keep it visible on the toolbar. Pinning it means you will always have quick access to MetaMask without having to dig through the extensions menu. This little step saves you time later and makes it convenient to use MetaMask whenever you need. Finally, open MetaMask and choose either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet to complete the setup. This is where you will establish your presence in the Ethereum ecosystem. Whether you are creating a new wallet or bringing in an existing one, this step is pivotal for managing your digital assets. You will now be ready to start using MetaMask effectively. Remember to only install MetaMask from the official MetaMask website or its official Chrome Web Store listing. Never enter your secret recovery phrase on any website or in any extension other than the official MetaMask app or extension. This ensures your assets remain secure. With that, you have successfully added the MetaMask extension. Enjoy exploring the world of cryptocurrency.